Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your earbuds Oladance OWS Pro. So let's play some track and let's working with it. Now, if you wanna play or pause the song, you should press one time on your right or left earbud. The touch area is located right here. So just press on it. And I pause the song, press again, and I play a song. To play a next track, you should press 2 times on your right earbud. 1, 2. And to play previous track, you should press 2 times on your left earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. Now, to increase the volume, right here at these touch areas, you should slide up. So just slide up, and maybe I'm going to show you. Okay. So, is it work? Yeah, it worked, but it didn't show this time this slider, I don't know why. So, just slide up to increase the volume and slide down to lower the volume. Also, we can call a Siri by using gesture or Google Assistant. It depends what you're using. If you use Android, you will call Google Assistant. If you use iOS, you will call Siri. So press 3 times on your right or left earbud. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it awake. Also, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 1 time on your left or right earbud. So somebody call me, and you just press 1 time and you answer the call, and press 2 times to reject the call. And as you can see, it works. Also, if somebody called to you, you can reject already the call just pressing 2 times, not 1. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.